Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update on Litecoin. It's Sunday today. It is the 4th of March. So I want to show you guys a little bit what I was seeing. If you guys study triangles like I've been looking at and getting into a little bit, right here we have a symmetrical triangle forming. And symmetrical triangles, they're one of the toughest ones to figure out because you truly could go up, you could break out up, or you could break out down. We've had this long period of consolidation since about the 15th of February, so we've really been moving sideways between $182, but we'd say even more. We're closed $190 and $230. So we've really been moving in that channel for quite a few days now. So my thoughts are, though, guys, we're going to break up. There's been a lot of good news for Litecoin. It's been positive. It's actually kind of broken away from Bitcoin recently. It kind of has a brain of its own, and it also kind of has led the charge recently in getting this market back into, right now, you know, it's kind of mixed, bearish, bullish market. You know, we're just kind of consolidating, moving up a little bit, and then we'll get little pullbacks, things like that. But we're getting ready for this next bull run, which is going to take place in the spring, from what we've been seeing and reading and all different types of stuff like that. So we've been seeing this symmetrical triangle. So we really can't consolidate too much longer. We're almost getting to that point, you know, maybe another day or two, we're going to either break up or we're going to break down. So I want you guys to really pay attention to that. And I'm going to pull some Fibonacci's for you real quick. And you can see this overall trend line that we've held, guys, since I think it was the 6th or so when we really bottomed out here. We had that double bottom, and since then we've been trending up. So that's obviously a great sign. Okay, get that there. Alright, guys. So we'll pull this Fibonacci. We're going to take it up through this wave to the top there. So that was around, we got up to $254 before it closed a little bit lower than that. But what you can see, guys, when we got all the way up to that point, we had a beautiful retracement back down to $180, and that was our 50% retracement right there. And now we've been moving in the channel between the 382 and the 236 right throughout there. Just moving through the channels. And what I'm hoping for is we're going to break up through that. The next point of really strong resistance that we have to get through is going to be around $230, $232. You can see right here we hit it. Right here we hit it, and we actually broke up there, but we didn't close up there. We came back down. Then we went down, then we came back up, and we've been moving sideways. So I wanted to show that to you guys. I think it's very important. And then yet again, you can see the trend that we've been having. And like I said, guys, we're getting to that point with that triangle where we're going to have to make a decision. We're going to go up or we're going to go down. And there's been a lot of good news for Litecoin. The merchants are using LitePay. You know, there's a lot of promising things. And I want to study the white paper. I really want to look into things. And guys, like I've shown you, when you shrunk this chart, I just don't see how, barring something tragic happen, I don't know how we couldn't get to $1,000 by the end of this year. I know many people are estimating even much higher than that, but I want to be conservative in it. But a conservative number truly could be $1,000 if we continue in this wave structure. This correction was beautiful, guys. I mean, look at that. That run-up that we had, which started in December or so, all the way up here, and then look at that nice correction. A, you can even count it like that. B, then a long C right there. And what if this is our 1, 2, and now we're going to move in sideways before we go into the third wave? Just some thoughts, guys. So those are some of the things that I'm looking at. The RSI was around 50, 52. I checked it out before I went on here with you guys. I only have a 5-minute time limit on this that I use now. So I would like to extend that soon. But prices went up a little bit. When I woke up today, it was around 207, 208. It's 211 now. And guys, study this coin. This is going to be one of the best ones. So I want you guys to look into that. God bless you all. Take care. Romans 10:13.